today I'm going to show you how to play the 5 dice game. I like this game because there's a bit of luck and also a bit of strategy. So first you're going to need 5 dice, and you have to know that the goal of this game is to reach a certain number of points. So let's try to start with 2000. So the goal of the game is to reach 2000, and to start we need to get 500 points. Now, how do we get the points? You need to know that if you roll a 5, it's worth 50 points. If you roll a 1, it's worth 100. And if in the same roll you have 3 ones, then you get 1000. That's very rare, but it could happen. If you have 3 2s, you get 200. 3 3s, 300. 4 4s, 3 4s, 400. 3 5s, 500, and 3 6, 600. This has to be in the same roll. So for example, if you look at the dice here, if I had this roll, I would have 150. So let's start. So to decide who's going to start, you and your friend will roll 1 die and we'll see who has the most. You're going to need also a paper to record the points. So I have 4 and my friend has 5. So my friend's going to start. They're going to take the 5 dice and roll them. And this is what they have. So they have a 1, so that's 150. Now to start recording points, you need to have 500. So that's not enough. It's only 150. So my friend needs to keep rolling the dice. Gets another 5, so now that's 200. 250. And a 3. A 3 is worth nothing. That means the point I accumulated cannot be written. Anyway, I didn't have enough to start. My turn. So I have 150 plus another 50, so that's 200. 2 4 is worth nothing, so I'm losing the points I had before anyway. I didn't have enough to start. Now there's 3 4, so 3 4 is 400, and 1, that's 500. So my friend could keep rolling, but if they get something different than a 1 and a 5, they would lose all their points. So let's keep that as their point. So that's 500 for my friend. Now my turn. I have 200, 300, 400, 450. Now I don't have any more dice, so I can keep them all. I can take them all and keep rolling. So I have to remember that I have 450, 550, 600. So I'm going to stop there and record 600. So you keep playing like that until the first person reaches 2000. 3 5 is 500. 500 plus 500 is 1000. You notice here that I got 3 ones, but not in the same roll, so that's only worth 300. Here my friend has 150. He could decide to roll the other dice, but then he would take the chance of losing his 150. So he decided to keep the 150 and not roll the dice more. Now I am at 1800 and I got 100, 250. So that means if I stop here, I'm going to be at 2050. Now because our goal was 2000, because I reached 2000, I can stop there because I have 2050, and if I roll my die, I could lose all my points. So I'm gonna stop there. I would think I'm the winner, but my friend still has the chance to catch up and reach higher than me. So let's try 100. Oops, none of the dice are worth point. That means my friend cannot make any point in this round. It also means that I am the winner with my 2050 points. We played this game just the two of us, but you can play with as many friends as you want. You can also play longer games and try with a goal of 5,000. Have fun playing the dice game!